Just a short video on Locator button tabs. These are small, generally hard to get off there. These tabs were made so that you can place them on the buttons on your press so that you can pull them out easily at any given time. These ones right here are not too bad, but some of them, as you know, for your larger caliber, they're very small and hard to get out. So as you can see, we place these on here. You got the 3 tabs on there. Now if you go to remove them, just pop them out and you can pop them back in. 9 of the tabs come with our order, so you can set them up for 3 different setups. Make it a little bit easier.